Today we're excited to check out and test drive a 1973 Mustang Mach 1. Really a sharp looking car, 4-speed. And in 73, you could only get a 4-speed in a Q code Mach 1.
Nice car. I mean, this motor we had completely rebuilt. All the receipts come with it. Really nice.
Outside of the hood looks good. Engine sounds good.
Still have the reverse lockout for the key. It's a really nice driver condition car. It runs good, drives good.
It's got power brakes.
No power steering, but steers nice, and we'll get to that, and I'll point that out in a little bit. Like Dalton mentioned, the bottom of the hood paint's really nice on it. They did a nice job. You can tell that when they did the paint job, looks like the fenders and stuff are off as well. The new Delco battery. Always careful with those hoods on GTOs and Mach 1s. They're a little longer hood. You don't want to ever bend them, but this one goes down nice. Really nice gap from front to back here. Looks like we got just a little bit of buffing compound right there. Nice gap, and the hood fits nice and flush there. Same thing over on this side. When you get them buffed out, it just always takes so many times to get all that compound off. So many washes. We do have one crack right here in the front. Other than that, it's got the Enduro bumper on the front of it. As we look up and down the sides, nice straight car. Tires look to be in great shape. BFG raised white letter tires. It looks like we have really good tread there.
I like the Mag 500 wheels. They look nice too.
They look really sharp. The front edge of the door fits really nice here as well. Looks like our back's tucked in nicely. Top of the hood, top of the fender, all that matches. It's got the dual sport mirrors. Top of the dash pad looks great. Even the speaker is nice. It's not cracked. Top of the pad itself looks nice. Windshield looks good. It does have power windows, Dalton, and the front ones work great. The back power window motors, I could not get working, and you have to send them back in.
Yeah, send them in to get rebuilt. So that's where we're selling it. Back power windows.
Do you know what's going on here?
I don't know what Riley's got there. Is that the?
That's the grill chrome. Yep. Yep. We got to get the grill chrome put back on. It does have some speakers in the back package tray. It's got the fold down rear seat. Trunk's all nice and solid as well. So we'll go ahead and get that grill chrome put on it. Dual exhaust sounds nice. It's got some nice tips there. Back bumper's nice and clean. Exhaust tips are good as well. There's your honeycomb along the back with a nice cap. Cap looks newer. Taillight lenses look good. Lower quarter is excellent. Over the wheel well looks nice. And like I said, the door fits really nice on the top and on the bottom there.
It's got a fold down rear seat.
Yeah, yep. And they did a nice job on that. Like even that plate in between the trunk, that flaps open so you can get from the trunk all the way in. Corner of the door looks good. Door jamb paint looks nice as well. Rubbers replaced at time of restoration. Door panels are nice. Power window works on the driver's side and passenger side. Again, I like what they did on the door jambs. Did a nice job there. New carpet, new scuff plates. Dash pad's excellent. Steering wheel's nice. They did some aftermarket gauges. Your temp, amp, and oil pressure right there. Factory 4-speed, it looks like. Carpet's excellent.
Seats.
They're nice, dude. They're freaking clean, aren't they?
Yeah, nice tread buckets.
We got new seat belts in the front, new seat belts in the rear, so that's all nice too. Sometimes people put grungy seat belts back in them. This one's not. Dome lights work under the dash. They did go ahead and put a one-piece headliner in it. I really like that. It's molded up there, fits really, really nicely. I like it, Dalt. So far, it's a great looking car. Like I said,
and these Q codes are awesome. You don't see them all that often, but yeah, it's the only.
Yeah, not an over restored car, but just a really nice car.
Yeah. Awesome driver.
Lower quarter is awesome. So we go up over here. bug on there. Really nice wheel well moldings. Please go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out our undercarriage of it. I think we got that up really solid there too. Got a little tiny paint run that didn't get wet sanded out under the Mach stripe. Probably could be wet sanded out. Corner of the door is good. Rocker, all that is in excellent shape as well. So many of these have bubbles on them, especially if the restoration was done years ago. This one's just nice and clean, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Sure, factory colors and all that kind of jazz. Okay.
These things.
Corner of the door is good. Your interior is in excellent shape. Love those
Some
seats.
little chips here in the gym.
Yeah, there is some little chips here.
I like the factory power window switches and stuff all mounted on the door panel. That looks great.
Again, in behind that front fender is all painted as well, Dalt. So like I said, they took everything apart and did it right when they did it years ago. And I really like this car. I'm excited. I hope it drives as nice as it looks. Factory tag gauges. As I mentioned earlier, to get the key out, you got to put it in reverse.
Interior's nice.
Very nice, yeah. I like that headliner a lot. Gas gauge works. Horn works. Tack works. Oil pressure's at 80 pounds. Temp gauge works. It's at 140 for pulling it around here. It works. Sounds pretty good. It's a good car. Mark did a good job on it, Riley. Here's your wipers. And they park correctly.
Console's in real good shape, it looks like.
Yeah. So we're going to talk a little bit about no power steering on this one. You know, just kind of watch that for a little bit and see how it is. So far, so good. Steers easy.
I always think the no power steering cars handle the road better.
I think so too, you know. The only thing that sucks about it was they put like a real small wheel on it, but this one's nice.
Here's your driver's side power window. It's nice and fast.
This thing's got some good power. Brakes are all new, just like all of them. It's in great shape. Looks like our tack, we're idling about 800-900 right now. We're still probably warming up. No one's behind us. We're just going to let it warm up a little bit, let Ryan get in position. I like the feel of it too. The seats are comfortable.
They are.
The padding is really nice on them.
Very comfortable.
So many times on these Mustangs, people do seat covers and stuff, but they don't do padding and springs.
I love the molded headliner too. It's really tight and nice.
I think this is going to be a good car though.
I think so too.
We really did a crap load of work to it.
I know we took this one on trade almost
Motor was blew up.
a year ago. Took it in on trade. Motor was bad, so we had it rebuilt. And did a lot of little mechanical things on it.
I'm not going to do I'm just going to do a rolling start just for the fresh motor. We'll let it
Yeah.
wear a little bit.
Good power. Good job, Larry. Smooth.
Really good, Larry.
Nice, dude. It sounds great. It's
Dude!
hell. Suspension feels
We did a
awesome.
lot of work on this thing. It went from a nightmare to a freaking dream.
Yeah, it was just you know, the motor we had, you know, had it twice gone through, you know, which is kind of, but it was a good car to begin with. It's just all that, you know, by the time we build the motor, it takes a long time and gets power windows work and stuff like that. The car is awesome.
There's
It's so
one
smooth.
last thing the guys didn't catch. We're going to see if we can't get that steering wheel straightened.
pretty-
Other than that, I like it.
Steering wheel's pretty straight.
Oh, it drives straight, but it's off just a little.
Yeah.
So check our brakes out quick. I am super impressed.
I can't
Very
believe
impressed.
how smooth and quiet that was taking off and just
I think we
fast,
need to
dude.
call Larry.
Tell him
call
good job.
I do. I mean, we should.
Speedometer works good. And the interior is super nice.
Sorry, gas gauge works. First works. It's got rear defrost even. This is actually a damn
The
nice
heater fan
car.
work on it.
That works. Heater fan works. And we were pushing about 3,800 RPM there.
Nice.
Really, and it kept roasting, didn't it?
It's fast.
3,000 RPM shift. A Q code, man. Big difference, isn't
Oh,
it?
yeah. Big block Cleveland. Badass car.
I like it a lot. That handle's good, shocks feel good, suspension feels good, don't it?
Yeah.
I mean, speedometer's off a little bit. It says we're doing 60, I say we're doing maybe 65, 67, something like that probably.
Look pretty close though.
Yeah.
Someone's gonna love it.
Yeah, they
It's a
will.
great car. Check it out in more detail on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.